In this lesson I am going to speak about the build variants. The build variants are the combination between build types and product flavor. So that means that if I have two build types and two product flavor, at the end I have 4 build variants. So if I have a build type which is debug and a build type which is release, and then two product flavor, demo and full. For example, I am doing an application which has a light version, a demo version, and then this application has a full version with all the features. So for a debug build type, I will have debug on demo and debug on full. And then the same with release. Release on demo and release on full. Where can I see these build variants? So I click here at the left and under build variants, and for my application I can see all the build variants that I have. So as I said before, 2 for demo and 2 for the complete version of our app. Okay, so you know that for debug is when we are creating our application, when we want it to be debuggable, and release is what we do when we want to export and sign our application to go to the Play Store. Okay, and the product flavors, what is the difference? For example, I'm going to create a difference here, just using the latest application of the course. In the folder source, I'm going to create a new folder a new directory called demo. This directory need to have the same name as the product flavor. So what does that mean? That when we are in the build variant demo, our application is going to use this folder. So if I wanted to have, let's say for example, in values strings, we have the name of our application. Okay, so this is going to be the full version, and then I am going to copy this file for the demo version. So I'm going to create also here a resource directories. With another values, and I am going to copy here the string file. So this means that in my application I have 2 string files, one for the demo build variant, for the demo flavor, and another one for the default or full flavor. So then in the string for the demo flavor, I'm going to change this name. So now when I choose build variant demo, the name of my application should be demo. When I change to the full version, I should see the full version name. So let's check this. This is very useful. So apart from having like a demo version and a full version, imagine that you are doing an application that you wanted to sell it on the Amazon store and on the Play Store. So you could have 2 flavors, one for the Amazon and another one for the Google Play Store. So it's very easy to handle the 2 different versions, and it's very easy to, when working with more developers, to have this in consideration, because you can just change with a click, and you know that you have files, configuration files, just for a flavor in one part and other files for other flavor in other part. Okay, I have run this, and the name of my application here is example3 demo. Fine. Now I change the build variant, and I run the application again, and I am going to check that now the file that we are using is this one. Perfect. It's running the new version. And we can see the new name. So remember this lesson. This is very useful, and I'm sure that you will need it in the future.